That was really rude.
Oh.
Why would you do that?
I don't know.
What's wrong with you?
It's not real snot if it makes you feel better.
What's wrong with you? Why would you do that to somebody?
Did it hurt?
Will you answer my question? Why would you
Oh.
do that to somebody? What is your mission today?
I don't know. Entertain myself.
Okay, at the expense of others?
Well, did I affect you negatively, very badly? I hope I didn't ruin your whole day. I mean, it's silly string.
I'm just wanting to understand why your mission is to frighten people today.
I don't know. Hey, you!
Oh, what the heck? Oh, dude, that was awesome.
Hey, you!
Oh.
Ouch. Ow.
Sorry. Oh, that's embarrassing. Sorry. I didn't mean to sneeze on you. Oh. Ouch.
Yeah.
Sorry. You okay?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I just sneezed. I have the string flu.
Oh crap. Are you all right?
Thanks a lot, dude. Hopefully you don't have the flu or something.
No, it's like silly.
Oh, it's
No, I know
bad
you-
flu.
You still blew on us. So.
Film it.
Okay.
Make it worth someone's time.
Yeah, film it next time.
Oh, yeah.
Put it on YouTube.
Well.
Oh, sorry about that. Are you okay?
Ah! What is wrong with you?
I was wondering if you know where I can get like a really good burger around here or something.
It's weird.
Oh geez, I'm sorry.
That's it. Scare that.
Man, springtime, I tell ya.
Yeah.
Too much pollen. Oh man, springtime is getting me bad.
I am so sorry. It's kind of a problem. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, that's up. Seriously. Get a life.
Oh, we got a spider.
Scared me.